Hello everyone! Today, let's join Quick Build to explore the journey of building a fully wooden log cabin, an ideal retreat nestled in the heart of nature. We begin by constructing the foundation frame for the cabin, which serves as the most critical part to ensure the entire structure's stability. First, the wooden beams are carefully measured and cut to match the initial design. These beams are then assembled into a square shape, with each joint meticulously checked to ensure a perfect fit. Once the frame is aligned, we use nails and a hammer to secure the corners. Each nail is driven in firmly, reinforcing the structure and making it sturdy for the next stages of construction. Precision at this stage is absolutely essential, as the foundation frame will bear the entire weight of the completed cabin. After completing the foundation frame, I move on to assembling the main frame of the log cabin. This is a crucial stage that shapes the entire structure of the house. The large wooden logs have been meticulously prepared in advance, with their ends carefully notched to fit perfectly together. I carefully lift each log into place, positioning it precisely and double-checking to ensure secure joints. Each log is placed with precision, stacked one on top of the other, layer by layer. I rely on traditional joinery techniques, which allow the logs to lock tightly together using their notched design and natural weight. Next, I'm nailing down the wooden planks on top of the frame to add stability and strength. Once the planks are secured, I'll apply a layer of bitumen to protect the structure from water and harsh weather. This step is crucial to ensure my cabin remains dry and durable over time. Stay tuned to watch the process step by step. After finishing the roof, I move on to nailing the wooden planks around the log cabin, creating a solid protective layer for the house. Each plank is carefully chosen and installed with precision, not only to enhance the durability of the structure but also to allow the cabin to retain its natural, rustic beauty, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. This process requires accuracy and patience to ensure that every detail is perfect. Once the planks are securely in place, I will move on to the next crucial step, painting the cabin. Painting not only protects the wood from the harsh effects of the weather but also creates a long-lasting protective layer, helping the cabin maintain its natural beauty and durability over time. Once completed, the cabin will not only be strong but also stand out, ready to face any challenges posed by nature. Next, I'm making the windows and the front door for the log cabin. First, I'll measure and cut the window and door frames with perfect precision. Each frame must fit perfectly into the openings that have been prepared beforehand. Once the frames are assembled, I'll start installing them into place, ensuring they fit snugly and operate smoothly. With the windows and front door finished, my cabin will not only look great but will also welcome natural light, creating a comfortable and functional living space. Next, I'm installing insulation for the walls of the log cabin. Adding insulation is essential for keeping the cabin warm in the winter and cool in the summer, ensuring a comfortable indoor environment. Once the insulation is securely in place, I'll move on to nailing wooden planks over it to finish the interior surface. These planks not only cover the insulation but also create a clean, beautiful, and cozy interior for the cabin. Next, I'll build the frame for the porch area outside the log cabin. This frame will serve as the foundation for the porch, ensuring it is sturdy and long-lasting. I measure and cut the wooden beams precisely, then carefully assemble them to create a complete frame. Once the frame is done, I'll add a small step to the porch for easier access and to enhance the overall aesthetic of the cabin. This detail not only makes my log cabin look more polished but also adds a welcoming touch to the outdoor space. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the Quick Build channel. If you enjoy exciting projects like this, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section. See you in the next video.